I go to market this morning and when I come back, I hear one little boy say, boy, then see one body cross. Then smell something funny and then look over, then see one body. I know me nothing go over there, go look. You know, say, boy, I'm here, say, did it, and things like that.
All right.